To protect from the sun and from the heat gain, an interior roller blind is located in the cavity and it deploys when the sun hits the facade.
Guthrie Douglas developed a bespoke facade roller blind for One Sydney Harbour. It's a tension system which has a spring concealed within the actual roller tube itself, and that allows you to generate the strength in the system to withstand wind, but also in a very compact space. Now, RPPW are kind of famous for their simple elegance and showing the mechanics of the systems that make up a building, and this was no exception. So you can actually see the stainless steel guide cables which form a part of the facade and control the way that the blind moves.
Of course, we had to work with Guthrie Douglas to find the right shape, the fixing and all the mechanisms, and in the end we are really happy with the result.
Climate Ready Engineering were involved in the project from start to finish. They helped us to specify the technical solution, and they've done an incredible job on the installation and commissioning of the blinds. You know, they are without doubt the market-leading specialists in Australia for this work, and I personally wouldn't have trusted anybody else to install a project like this in Australia. Guthrie Douglas are just really pleased to have played a small role in the project. The blinds are a really integral part of the building performance. The facade really wouldn't work without them, and it's an honour to have worked with Renzo Piano Building Workshop, with Arup, with Wintech and the rest of the design team to achieve a result that's really stunning.